Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will show a video about some fans ask about how to clean the print head for a DTF printer. So sometimes we just use a normal tank to fill the white ink for print a DTF. So we get the print head clogged. Okay, so this is a demo printer that we already changed the ink system for print with the DTF sheet. Okay, the model by Epson L1, the 18050. Okay. Now we should be ready. Tools, the screwdriver, and then this one very important. The part is one the cover of a print head. We will use this one for do a cleaning with the print head. Okay, follow us. Okay, use a screwdriver to remove the print head out. Okay. So now that we can to remove the print head out from the carriage. Okay. Be careful because each side already having the cable already connect with the print head. Okay. So now we are moving the cable out from the print head. Be careful. Carefully we can put the connector inside a plastic bag. That's be more carefully. Okay. Okay. So this one already is a type of use the print here, and this one we only can be to clean the face of this place. We can't easily to clean the load out, so we need to be another part. This one already changed for easy connection with the ink tube to be pump the ink or the clogged parts inside the printed out. Okay, so the following should be only a smaller piece of them. Okay, be carefully. So we can move that parts, the print head parts out from the print head. It's the cover, it's the print head. Okay. So we're gonna to be changing the cover for this one. Be carefully. So here inside there, here already have totally have 6 the ink load channel for connection the covers. So here to be the same. So even into the other side, that's be the incorrect connection, the print head with the covers. So that's a point to point covered. And sometimes we need to be clean the face with this parts of the mature the covers. Okay. So should be carefully to not to make this anything to be changed. Okay, so we can install back the screw. Okay, so basically we can set them on a desk or on a table. Just one by one. One more time check, make sure this locked enough. Okay, so we are finished to change the cover for print head. The next step we should be use a tab of the cleaning solution with the syringes with the soft table. Use a syringe with a soft tube. Okay. And get a cup for receiving the waste, the ink. Condition the loader to be set up and keep. Okay, make sure that's to be fairly. See, that's the loader should be cleaned out. This will depend the detail about the print head. If it's clogged, the more clogged, we may need to be cleaned 2 or 3 times, and using a type of stronger the cleaner. Okay. Then just clean one by one the channels. This looks good. Okay. Just one by one all the channels. Okay. Sometimes if the loader gets the clog, we may need to just push and soak. We can see soak some inks back to the syringes and push them again, and make some more times. That's to be make sure all the channel the ink very easy to be pump out the loader. That should be ready to work. Okay. So even this cup should be easy to be connect an ink damper or ink cartridge to be change your ink systems. So our next video will show how to connect your DTF with the ink damper with your printers. That will more easy to be maintenance for future your DTF print. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.